Atkins Civil 3D video series, Water 4B, Finish Water Improvement Drawing. This video illustrates A. Create water construction notes, B. Create construction reference labels, and C. Create data shortcuts of water objects. The notes drawing, which contains the general and construction notes used by Atkins, is shown. These notes are modified as needed for each particular project. The water construction notes are prepared to describe the various items of work shown on the water improvement drawing. Atkins uses construction reference labels placed in the vicinity of water improvement objects that reference the corresponding water construction note number. Construction reference labels are used throughout the drawing in lieu of individual construction notes, which greatly reduces the clutter and improves the readability of a drawing. Also, more detailed information can be given in a construction note compared to individual notes. The construction reference labels are on layer seawater text and consist of a circle or elongated circle with an Arial bold number contained therein. The label also includes a leader that is tangent to the circle and a wipeout around the circle to obscure objects behind the label. Copy the label and leaders to the desired location and change the number as appropriate. Leaders are used where needed and erased where not needed. Use rotate command RO enter to rotate the leader about the circle, or the mirror command MI enter. Pick the leader, pick the base point, and mirror the meter about the circle. Escape. Pick the leader, pick the square glyph, and elongate the leader or shorten the leader using the orientation of the current leader as a guide. Escape. For this video, the construction reference labels used in the Kincaid Road Improvement Project have been inserted into the water improvement drawing. Create the data shortcuts for the existing and construct water objects. Prospector, right-click Data Shortcuts, create data shortcuts, place check mark in pressure networks, remove the check mark in the conduit, OK. The seawater and existing water have been added to the pressure networks data shortcuts. Since the project base drawing has been XREF into the base drawing for each category improvement, road, drainage, water, and sewer, the project base drawing should be updated shortly after the existing and construct water objects have been created so that they will be available for use on the other category improvement drawings. The current project base drawing has been updated using the procedures illustrated in video reference water to deref the construct existing post-demo water objects and to draw the objects into the various profile views. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.